Good day, everyone. It's Grizz. It's Grizz. Taffy is on the back of the bike. Why is Taffy on the back of the bike? We're going to pick up my car from work because we've returned from a holiday. I drove into work this morning because I was just feeling shattered. Been working on the KTM all day yesterday, and I got up and I was just tired and achy and sore, and I just thought, you know what, I'm not going to ride in when I feel like this. I'm going to drive in. So Taffy had very nicely offered to do this, basically, where it means I drive into work, leave my car at work, and then do my day's work in my van, the delivery van that I drive all day, and then come home and go ride back to work with Taffy on the back, and yeah, drive the car home, and then that's us sorted until our next holiday. Next holiday will be my birthday, which is in January, and I'm going to be 50. Oh, God, can't wait. 50. Although it doesn't really matter to me, it's just a number. So yeah, where did we end with the old KTM? A little KTM update. I went for a ride, and it was kind of good, really. There was a bit of water still coming out of that top radiator filler cap, but when I got home, I switched it off and I stood there for about a minute, and about a minute or two later, the bike just overboiled all of its own accord while it was switched off and not running, which is a bit weird, isn't it? So I don't know what to make of that. It just poured some water out of the overflow reservoir. Yeah, like a quarter of a cup of water, maybe. I'm thinking there's maybe an air still trapped in the system. I'm still thinking it's that. So I need to have another go at bleeding the system. And I think I can do it and get it higher than I did last time by putting it on the ramp like I do, load it up in the back of the van. That will get it nice and high. And get rid of any possible air locks that are in the coolant system, and quite possibly causing it to overheat. So yeah, I've got to do that next. But at the moment, let's go and get my car, or go and get our car from work, and yeah, I'll see how I go from the standpoint of getting that done. I'm meant to be meeting lamb chops this Sunday, but the weather is looking a bit pants for Sunday, and I've really struggled to get there any other time than Sunday, and lamb chops doesn't have much more spare time than Sunday. So yeah, it's looking like Sunday, really. So yeah, we'll have to see how all that pans out. Overall though, my thoughts so far with the old KTM, I'm really loving it. I'm really enjoying it. Sorry I've got no front cam today. We've gone out in a bit of a rush. Literally picked up Taffy from work, and we kind of jumped on the bike and off we go to try and get back for some sensible time this evening. So yeah, it's just this cam. This bike is just so revvy, and so, like, the gearing on it is so kind of high. I'm in 6th. Not even the gearing, it's just the sound, the tone of the engine. It makes me feel like I'm doing really high speeds at 30 even, you know. And if this car behind me could get any closer, fucking hell. People just love, they see a sports bike or something, I don't know. Maybe it's just drivers in general nowadays, and they just sit right up your ass. Sorry if my speech sounds a bit weird. This helmet is just a little bit too tight, I think, with all the wires for the intercom and camera and everything. I need to readjust it. I meant to do it after I did the vlog with Taffy, our first kind of intercom vlog, our first dual vlog, but I didn't have time because we went on holiday and I got caught up doing stuff, and I've not had time since because I've been doing other stuff. So yeah, I'm like kind of like constantly biting the inside of my cheek, which doesn't probably sound good when I'm speaking. So apologies for that. Oh yeah, the KTM, I'm actually really enjoying it. I am really enjoying it. Like, I had an absolute blast on the last ride, and I'm even being kind of semi-sensible with it at the moment because I'm a little bit going softly, and I don't want to break it, you know. So yeah, it's changing my perception on sports bikes. Let's say that much. I don't know if I'm going to go there with the whole selling of the BMW, the S1000RR, but it has made me think I'm having more fun on the little 600 and the KTM than I do on the S1000RR. It's an amazing bike. There's no two ways about it. I mean, it's a cracker of a bike, but from a fun standpoint and practicality on the road, of not losing your license and being like, I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of the RR at all, but it is quite a well, it's an amazing engine. It's just beyond amazing. It's just the power on that engine is just unbelievable, and the way it pulls in the higher rev range is just crazy. It's nuts. I mean, I'm talking about, you know, very high speed power wheelies, and that for me is just mind-blowing. So yeah, I don't really feel that I need that, you know, so much anymore in my life. So it is making me kind of think about it, but I'm not going to make any calls on it yet. Look at this. This is just typical. Flipping rain's coming. Rain. Sorry, Taffy. Getting your bike dirty again. So bad. Sorry, my love. Don't mean to get your bike dirty. Grizz will have to wash it again for her. We usually do like a shared washing duties. Like, I get the power washer out. I bought a cheap power washer. I say cheap, it's a good one. I bought power washer from work, a jet wash, and yeah, I jet wash it, and Taffy kind of gets the soap and water out.
Here it comes.
Yeah, what a pain. The rain. We're going to do a sharing of the bike washing duties.
Yeah, all the duties are yours.
No!
I give my share
Oh.
to you.
Oh.
Generously.
Thank you. It's too kind.
Yeah.
Taffy doesn't have any camera. We're sorry, we've rushed out. We've got no front camera. Taffy's not got a camera. We've not got intercom. So literally just jumped on and away we go. So I'm sorry, guys. Just got to listen to me. And the rain's coming heavier now. Oh, what an amazing bloody thing. Anyway, I'm going to concentrate on the road for a bit, because it's probably going to get a bit risque, what with the slippery roads now with the rain. Be careful now, guys. One thing I want to say is be careful this time of the year now. We've had an awesome summer, we've had some amazing weather, and now we get conditions like this. Where is my camera? Up here. We get conditions like this where it starts to rain and the roads get very greasy. So yeah, the roads get very greasy, so please be careful, because there's not that same level of grip there. Just kind of tone it down a little bit now, guys. You've got to start kind of being more sensible and just take care. Sadly, actually, today I did see on Instagram, I think it was the Real Shadow Rider, I'll confirm that username on Instagram, had sadly passed away. We've been following each other on Instagram for a few years, and I seen someone else post that he had passed away over the weekend, or over the last 2 days, been involved in a motorcycle accident. My thoughts and are with his family and friends, and I'm really sad to hear such tragic news. Yeah, so please take care, guys. Wear the right kit, ride to the conditions, and please take care. I'm not saying that had anything to do with the Shadow Riders accident, but just please, I just want everyone to take care and get through it all, and just enjoy two wheels and be careful. Anyway, look, this weather is getting horrible, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Thanks for watching. I'll bring you some more vlogs soon on the KTM. Maybe go out for a spin on the BMW. Might be meeting with Lamb Chops. What glorious bloody weather. It stayed dry all day as well. Sorry. Right, I'm off. We're off to see the wizard. Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Rain. Alright people, thanks for watching. See ya.